There we go, smoothish again. Black Tiger. Bosses. The bosses are all so easy, even the dragons. I don't know how to die on the bosses. Oh, that's the dungeon. Thought the guy was gonna pop up over there. Oh, we're saving up for the claw. The next weapon is the claw. Raw. Oh, stupid devils. Yeah, devils are only good for dying. Oh, crap. Wow. There's a mummy. Come on, mummy. Uh-oh. Did I just get caught between two mummies? Woo-wee! Oh yeah, purple armor. True royalty. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. This is the one where I ducked to shoot. It's just muscle memory for that one. I guess, is the brain a muscle? In a sense, it is muscle memory if the brain is a muscle. I mean, can you grow your brain by doing math? I don't even know, man. I never studied all that scientific stuff. Oh, I got a headache though. Woke up feeling pretty rough. And now I'm feeling pretty good. How am I gonna get past this guy? Oh, just walk. I don't know why I did that. I was so dumb. There's something down there. I gotta go back for it, but... Oh. Is it worth sacrificing my 50 bucks? It better be. Man, I am not doing the best. I am not doing the best. Then... Down, down. Oh, your hair smells super clean. You don't stink. I'm making.
Yay, you
I got to get my... Oh! That flame was 1 inch from my face, man. I need that time. Come on, mummy. Ah! Dying. I'm dying. Let's get that claw hat. Oh, we got just enough. Got some slick armor. I don't have enough. 1, 2, 3. Such a chill game. I mean, you could panic and start button mashing. That never helps though. Tip of the day, don't button mash. I remember in Zelda, I used to always do that when I played the Lionel and he would crouch all the time. Gosh. I rage quitted a few times because of that. Going the wrong way on purpose. Stay away from my 100 coins. I gotta use that to buy the good armor later. My eyes are doing something weird. I knew that was gonna happen. I just don't have patience sometimes. Ah! Oh, don't go janky on me now. Maybe I should invest in a real, like, video card. I mean, Temu for 20 bucks, it does the job. Let's try that again. What was the other one? Elgato? Elgato? I got it. Come on, microphone on. Whoa! Distracted by the microphone.
Microphone?
Microphone. Microphone. The microphone is... Holy cow, this is so intense. I play this to relax, man. Why is everyone so aggressive today? You're in debt to me? Alright. Now we save up for the flame stick. Nothing more aggressive than a flame-throwing stick. I see that rock. Run. We will rock you. No. Don't touch me. What? Heat-seeking bats? Come on, man. They must have updated the AI. I don't remember it being that aggressive. Or maybe my... something is gone. I can't English anymore for some reason. I'm in like a weird trance mode. Autopilot. Oh, this is our first dragon fight. Oh, it's doing janky again. We got 2.5 minutes to fight this dragon. We will almost not even die. Janky. No! Lose, you lose! Alright. That was fun, man. I can't. Here we go. This music. Just imagine playing that on the guitar. Or it sounds like an organ. I'm just gonna save up. It's like Castlevania music. Fuck.